How to talk like Puerto Ricans, switching R's for L's. Let's check it out. So we Puerto Ricans, we switch the R's for L's. The reason, I have no idea, to be honest. But I'm gonna explain to you the way we do it and the way we do not do it. Okay? So one thing that we do is when the word ends with R, we switch it for L. For example, in the word cantar, which means to sing, we say cantal. Okay? A word like buscar, to search for, we say buscal. Buscal. Esperar, to wait. Esperal. Esperal. To hug somebody. Abrazar, we say abrazar. Abrazar. That doesn't mean we say it like that all the time, but the more when the context of the place where you're talking is very informal, we use it like that. If it's formal, we try to avoid that, even though some people still will say it like that. Okay. So you notice in this case the L is at the end of the word. Abrazar, esperar, buscar, empezar, cantar. Okay. Sometimes the R is in the middle of the word. For example, carta means letter. Letter. Carta. We say carta. Okay, or we might say carta. Or in the word puerta, which means door, we might say puerta. Puerta. La puerta. Okay. In our country name, Puerto Rico, a lot of times we say Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico. But that brings me to another explanation, which is that if the word starts with the R at the beginning, we never change the R for an L. However, we do something with it too. So in the case of Puerto Rico, we say Puerto Rico, right? Or Puerto Rico. So you're hearing that Rico, that R in the Rico. However, we have another sound that we use a lot, and it's called the drag R. In Spanish means la R arrastrada o la R arrastrada. Drag R. And it sounds like this. It comes from the throat. So a lot of times we might say Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico. See? Sometimes we do a Rico but see, we try not to do it too much because for us it doesn't sound nice. It's just a little Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico. See? And that's it. Some people might do that sound, some people might not do it. All Puerto Ricans don't talk the same, so everybody's different. Some people like to say it correctly, Puerto Rico. Okay, it just depends. Okay, so there's another in another occasions where we never switch the sound. Whenever you see a combination with like TRA, like trabajar, or GRA, gracias, BRA, bravo, or CRA, DRA, or FRA. In those cases, we never switch the R for an L. Okay. For example, crayola. Okay. We don't say glayola unless there's people that do it like that because they have issues talking, right? They have problems talking. See, dragon, right? We wouldn't say dragon. Little kids say it like that, okay? But that's normal. And that's it, guys. That's how we talk. So, voy a cantar en ese sitio. I'm gonna sing at that place. Voy a cantar. Voy a tocar. Sí, tocar to play. Like me, I play drums. Voy a tocar la batería. I'm gonna play the drums. Voy a tocar la batería. Uh, I'm gonna talk there. Voy a hablar. Voy a hablar allá. Voy a hablar allá. I'm gonna talk there. Uh, I'm gonna see what they're doing. Voy a mirar. I'm gonna look at what they're doing. Voy a mirar lo que ellos hacen. Voy a mirar lo que ellos hacen. And that's it, guys. Basically, this is one of the things that we do. Check out my other videos so you can keep learning the way Puerto Ricans talk. And please check out my links at the bottom of this video. You can check my website, realcaribbeanspanish.com. You can get my free ebook and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and that's it, guys. So thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video, and keep learning with Real Caribbean Spanish. Bye bye.